US stock and ETF portfolio check. So look, the week wasn't too bad, and we saw recoveries made in tech, and I guess just checking things over, hasn't been too bad. There's still a few lagging stocks that I've got. TTCF, again, late entry. I'm still holding on to that. I think it closed at around 20 or even just slightly under. I got in at 26. And we've got another one, GNOG. 1916 was the entry, and I think that was around 17 as well. It has come back quite strongly from where it was down. So overall, I am up on the position. I've got some dividends I'm quoting down here as well at 2022. That takes into consideration the alien tax that I pay for being a non-US citizen. But yeah, so I've actually amended a few things. I did the maths incorrectly. So NGA, the gain on that was more than I thought, because I got it in 1120 for 207 shares, or 300 shares, but I sold 207 shares at 33.30, and I'm still holding a parcel. I think it was about 17, maybe even slightly lower than 17. NGA is trading out now. PaySafe down a little bit. TTCF, like I mentioned. Adobe pretty much break even as well. And I think that takes into consideration the purchase value, takes into consideration the brokerage as well. So that's why, because it actually is over 502. I think it's 503 it closed at. And then PBW10, later in the piece I got into those, but I'm going to hold those still. And then ARKK ARKG, up a little bit earlier in the week and then back down, but it's not too concerning. And Segro was a lighter play that I got into for self-driving car technology. Got out of that one. I'm looking at a couple of companies to get into, NVIDIA and potentially Disney as well, but we'll see. I'm really going to unwind positions if I do that. I'm just sort of tossing up between a couple. I'd like to keep GNOG. TTCF is a possibility. NGA, I think on the 23rd of April, they are having their merger meeting. So we'll see if that becomes a company of its own. It's disappointing with the TAN and PBW, but I still comfortably hold that as well. Apple got a nice lift as well this week, and Tesla still holding that as well. So that's pretty much the video. In regards to a watch list, I think what I'll do, I'll make that on Monday. So this is just strictly the portfolio update. If you've noticed, I have tweaked the playlist titles on my channel as well. So I'm just trying to keep everything in its own place. So I've got the US portfolio update, ASX portfolio update for the Australian shares, my day trading stuff for the Aussie market, and then the Forex update as well. And I'm trialing an intro and end scene as well. So please feel free to let me know what your thoughts are. But that's a portfolio update, guys. I do this just to keep myself accountable, but tech seems to be holding up not too bad. I am positive on the position. So after what was, it was a pretty big swing. It was pretty close to $10,000 swing. So I've invested 66,000 flat. Peak of it was 79,000, nearly 80, I think 79.9 in obviously early February to mid-February, and then it started cooling off. So it's been a wild ride, but I'm still holding, and I've got some conviction. The ARK stuff I've got conviction on, that's fine. It's polarizing, Tesla's polarizing. TTCF is probably the one that if I had to asterisk, it would be that, because there's some headwinds for that still. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.